Hello everybody, I hope you're very well. So for the last about 8 to 9 months, I've only spoken about skin, because I was bringing out the skincare products. I needed everybody to understand what is meant for what, and do not pick up the wrong products, pick up the right products for your kind of skin, the kind of problems that you're battling. And now we shift to hair care. Of course, you can still ask me questions about skincare. I have absolutely no problems answering it. But right now, we are going to talk about hair care for a bit till you all get a good understanding on all the AP products that I have brought out. It is not so difficult. It is pretty easy. But I need you all to understand what you need to pick up that's meant for you. All right, I keep saying buy products that's meant for you and not meant for everybody else in the family. If everybody's got the same kind of hair, facing the same kind of problems, it's fine. But otherwise, you need to choose products that's just meant for you. Yeah. So, oiling hair. It's not just the hair that you oil the scalp, because this oil is going to go into your scalp and nourish those roots. So what happens, let me just tell you a few home truths about hair. The hair starts growing, it rests for a while, and then it falls. This is a cycle that hair goes through. And sometimes when it rests and falls, then it just keeps resting and it drops off to sleep, those roots. So we need something that goes in and wakes those roots up. They're called irritants, and they go and they irritate the roots and say, come on, get up and start growing again, And why they go off to sleep and why they stop functioning is for various reasons. It could be a health problem. It could be an environmental issue. It could be the fact that you're not just looking after your hair well enough. There are a lot of reasons why the roots just decide, this is it. I am just going to take time out for me, and that's it. So, but we want our hair to grow thick and lush and long and full, basically. That's what we want. We want a head full of hair. Remember, it is our crowning glory. The first time as soon as you see somebody, the first thing you notice is their hair, yeah? And of course, then everything else. But I mean, that's what I notice. I don't know about everybody else, but so now, all over the world, there were only certain parts of, let's talk about India. Even in India, Kerala and West Bengal are the two predominantly oil users. They use hair oil a lot, and they are the two states that people have the most gorgeous hair. And of course, the rest of the states also have lovely, beautiful hair, but they do not use oil as much. And now all over the world, people have woken up and said, we need to oil our hair. And coconut oil is one of the best oils that anyone can possibly use. And of course, the AP21 herb oil is a coconut base. And there are 21 herbs in this oil, just so that it goes and nourishes the roots. Now, people say, oh no ma'am, I don't ever oil my hair. Everybody needs to oil their hair. If not, the people who just don't oil it twice a month. The people who are very used to oiling their hair, they can oil it two times a week. Every time you choose to wash your hair, you just need to heat up the oil to lukewarm, consistency, and give yourself a nice massage. When you massage, the blood is rushing to the scalp, and it is encouraging encouraging the roots to get nourished. So you want more nourishment. What you do is you take a thin towel, dip it in boiling hot water after your hot oil massage, squeeze out the water and wrap the towel around your head so your pores open, and drink in as much oil as it possibly can so that the roots get nourished. The whole idea is to nourish the roots, and that's it. So you also oil your scalp, and then you oil all the way down to the tips of your hair as well, because these are all medicinal treatments, basically. So this is a treatment for your hair. and it is really important that you do it. And if you don't want to use any herbs, and some people say, oh no, this herb reacts with me and that herb reacts with me. If that's the case, just use coconut oil, olive oil, sarson ka tel. There are so many different kinds of oils that you can use. But I have put together the best oil on earth just so that it works wonders for people who are battling hair loss, battling, okay, let me hold this. The people who are battling hair loss, people who have got tons of dandruff, people don't have that amazing hair growth that they always had. Of course, as you grow older, your hair growth will also start going back. It won't grow the way it did when you were in your teens and your 20s, and but your hair will grow till the day you die, because that is the thing. And it's a tough thing that we have on our head, our nails and our hair. And you know, how much ever we abuse the hair and we don't look after it, it still grows and grows and grows. And now when people want to change the texture of their hair, they go and they get treatments done, straightening and rebonding and smoothing and keratin, and everything is a chemical treatment. And once they get it done, the hairdressers unfortunately tell them, listen, please don't oil your hair. Now that is such a wrong thing to do, because you're doing so much damage to your hair. You need to oil it and you need to look after it. So these are things that if you have any doubts about oiling, please speak to me about it and I will answer all your queries. You know, what I've also got out is the hair repair serum, which it repairs the hair. You know, this is not meant for the roots, it's meant for the hair. So you don't massage the hair repair serum into your scalp. That you do with your oil. But for the rest of the hair, which is dry, which is you know, frizzy, which gets tangled really fast, even silky straight hair gets tangled very fast after a wash, you just put a little bit of your hair repair serum through it and comb your hair out, and it just works wonders. It takes off all the tangles. It's just beautiful. It's an oil-based serum, but it has no stickiness and no oily feel to it, so you don't feel the oil in your hair. You just get a beautiful gloss and a shine to your hair. And even if you have silky straight hair, a little bit of the serum through it just gives that beautiful glossy, healthy look. And of course, people like me need it desperately, because we constantly need to repair our hair. You know, curly hair is frizzy and dry hair. So you need to put stuff into your hair and your scalp that will repair it, which will come. You know, for me, when I use my hair repair serum, my hair becomes soft and silky, and I'm like, wow. It's of course still curly. It doesn't take the curl off at all, but it takes the tangles off and everything else. So that is your hair repair serum and your 21 herb hair oil. These two are treatment products, and you can look at it. It's so hot, I can't tell you. Oof, Delhi is really hot. Anyway, yeah, so through it all, through the heat and everything else, oil your hair and use your hair repair serum. This is my advice to you if you want beautiful, glossy, stunning hair. Alright, of course it should be coming out in a few weeks, and the pre-orders are on, and so people, what the pre-order means, you order for it, you pay for it, and it goes into the pre-order list. As soon as the products come, the pre-orders go out first, and then I'll look at everything else. So that is what is happening right now. I will talk about the shampoos and the conditioners in a bit. Alright, so today I want you to concentrate on hair oil and the hair repair serum. I shall see you all very, very soon. Keep yourself cool and safe. Bye. You take care.